Look what I found, another summer green tree snake. Big one. I didn't know they got this big. He's 28 inches maybe. He was in the grass and I grabbed him when he had a big grasshopper in his mouth he was munching on. And I'm gonna put him in this tree and show you how they navigate in the trees. It's really friendly.
Go on, little guy. He's thinking about it. Wow, he's big. He's looking up at that branch. Oh, look at him looking. Oh my gosh, he's trying to reach the other one?
Yeah.
What in the world? Oh, look at that.
That's why he's called a tree snake.
Oh, that is so cool. He was sitting way up. Guess he's all muscle, huh? Oh, he's so pretty.